And kung dito nyo gagamitin yung mga machine nyo sa term, measure, and for AVR. So what is the purpose of AVR? To regulate the voltage of your electricity. So dito sa minsan siguro, tumataas yung electricity nyo para hindi madamage yung machine. Okay? Then, there's another button, pero napaka-friendly gamitin ito. This is for the viscosity. So yung viscosity yung tigas ng ice cream. So number 6 is the recommended if you are here like air condition area. Pag nasa labas kayo, pwede nyo siyang i7 para mas bumagal yung melting behavior. So this is the home button. Bago ako pindot ng iba, kailangan home muna and saka mo makapindot. This is the wash mode. You can come forward, proceed. And this is the operation mode. Before you are clicking the other part, you need to back at home. So this is the operation, this is the night mode. The night mode is, you can store your premix here. In night mode, your machine is considered only as a refrigerator. So please keep your premix chilled, not frozen. It's chilled. So the only freezing system is the chilling system, not the freezer. This machine is also dual cooling system. So dumalang yung kanyang hover and the freezing of the chamber. Okay? Now, I press the wash mode and reveal the product. After that, so liquid is pouring and this one is bleeding. You need to bleed around 300 grams to fill all the capacity of chamber. Then after that, return. Okay. If your chamber is full, that's the time that you input the pigeon. Then put at 0. Close. We need to close it because the second process is priming. Okay, close.